Nyakorongo jong duond bura mar ODM ochano bago chenro mano mar welo motelone yiero ma adundo e kidiochieng' tarik 24 nyaka chieng' tarik 27 mano mar dwene. Mae en kaluwore kod jakom mar raput mochung'ne yiero e ODM Emilia Witi gi jatatije mano duoro ong'wen mowacho ni welogo ibiro bagi e yo ma huyanga. Weche mabende ne osir lwedo kod jakom mar ODM Mikai Gladys Wanga. Mano lero ni ODM biro keto jochung' kuonde duto mantiere yiero ma adundo. Ne gilero magi e kinde mane ODM chiwo tiko manyalodia ne jochung' moko mane onge jogo maloro kodgi otiko e kar chung' od bura mage.
I want to assure the candidates that we will walk this journey to the election together. I also want to thank very much the National Elections Coordinating Committee led by Madam Awita. We believe in you. We know that you are capable so far. You have done a very, very good job. And for the candidates and for the constituencies and wards where we are going to be conducting nominations, I think Madam Chair will be giving that assurance that we will have very, very credible, free and fair nominations.
For the remaining seats, where there is more than one aspirant, I want to assure you that the party primaries will be conducted between September 24th and 27th, 2025. The NEC is fully prepared and will ensure that the exercise is free, fair, transparent, and credible.
We are in ODM, and our party is ODM, and it remains so now and forever. And we will support ODM candidates in this election. We will campaign for them. I know the political environment that exists now is called broad-based, but that does not affect political parties. Every political party is entitled to fight for its seat, but broadly, we have also, at constituency level, we have agreed that where ODM is the strongest, ODM will fill their candidates. Where the previous holder of the office is ODM candidate, ODM will fill the candidate. For example, in Kasipul, Ogunja, Magarini, those are ODM areas.